The Malaysian investment landscape has changed significantly in the last decade. It now offers rich opportunities and is developing into an international marketplace for Islamic finance. With me to speak about how to negotiate this market is Datin Maznah Mahbob, CEO of AmInvest, a leading fund management house in the region. Well, Datin Maznah, how does the Malaysian investment landscape stand today, and what are the main opportunities it presents?
In view of the recent correction in the financial markets, along with a lot of other emerging markets, we've had a similar correction in our debt market and as well as our equity market as a result of falling oil prices. And I believe that this actually provides longer-term investors with an opportunity to position in our market at this time.
Well, AmInvest provides investment solutions for global investors across a full spectrum of asset classes. So what trends are you seeing?
There has been a flow of funds back to the developed markets and the stronger currencies. As a result, you can see the correction in emerging markets in Asia, and there has been a correction in the fixed income markets and the bond markets in general, and a trend towards equities, in fact, as the global economy is showing signs of recovery.
Well, Malaysia is, of course, a leader when it comes to Islamic finance. So what fund management services do you offer in that sector, and how do you see the market developing?
We have Sharia-compliant commodities, precious metals, equities, sukuk, which is quite broad, not common actually, in terms of choice for the Islamic investor. For global investors, we are focusing on what we can manufacture in the Islamic space and particularly in the ethical space, focusing on our own time zone in terms of active management. So we are offering active Asian equities, but for the international markets, we can actually provide global sukuks as well as global developed equities and global emerging equities.
The fund management industry is fiercely competitive. How do you stay ahead of the game?
Our business model is as a fund manufacturer. We deal directly with our institutional clients, of course, but for our retail investors, we work through intermediaries, which is third-party distributors. In that sense, because we are, in a way, not dependent on our in-house group distribution, we have to stay relevant and competitive in terms of our product offering.
Looking at your smart beta methodology now, and what are its core features and how is it best suited to allow you to internationalize?
We had the objective of delivering competitive risk-adjusted return to the investor. In other words, a lower volatility fund without sacrificing the return at a lower cost and in a very transparent way, employing strategies which would actually do its best in an economic environment of uncertainty and slow growth. So we believe that that is the situation that we are in, which could perpetuate for the next 3 to 5 years. So we designed strategies that would actually benefit from that.
So finally, what are your plans moving forward?
Well, we will be launching this fund very soon. Perhaps at this time of airing, it should be launched by then. And we are busy engaging with partners that will help give us the reach to the end investor in the countries that we are targeting.
Datin Maznah, thank you.
Thank you very much.